I'm a trade business performance specialist, Stefan Kazakis, and I'm thrilled to be your host at the upcoming Simprosium Roadshow in Australia. Join us in 5 Australian cities: Brisbane, Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne and Sydney. If you're a leader in a trade business, Simprosium is your ticket to plug into the latest tech and business hacks that will help your operations excel. Come along and get a sneak peek into Simpro's recent product innovations and learn how you can use these to boost efficiency. That includes mobile app enhancements, digital payments, asset configuration, and the brand new digital forms add-on. Not to mention in-depth workshops on setting up alerts and integrating with other software. Get industry intel on how AI is changing the trade and field service industry, and hear valuable growth tips from your peers during the Customer Brilliance Panel. And most of all, enjoy networking with industry peers and Simpro partners. I look forward to seeing you at the event.